Hey guys, this is Sal and welcome to this exclusive episode of Technical Saturdays. And in this particular episode, we are going to understand about what are candlestick patterns and how those candles are formed. In the previous episode, we discussed about what are the different types of trends. And today we are going to discuss something based on price action because there are a lot of people, those who trade only based on price action. They don't use any tools, they don't use any indicators, only price action. So candlestick patterns are usually used in order to understand whether the price is moving on the upside or on the downside and how it looks like. That's what I'm going to share in this particular episode. So candlestick patterns, this is how the candle looks like. There are usually two candles, as I've already mentioned, a green candle or a red candle. These are the two candles, or even you can consider white or black. These are the candles which are formed, and it depends on software to software. For some of the softwares, you will be able to see that green and red candles are formed. One is bullish and one is bearish. And similarly, on some of the softwares, it will be like a white and a black candle where one depicts bullish, one depicts bearish as well. So candlestick patterns, like the candle itself, can be based on different time frames, whether it is a 1 minute candle, whether it is a 2 minute, 5 minutes, 10 minutes, 15 minutes, daily, like hourly, weekly, monthly, and so on. Right, and every single candle itself depicts different time frames. Like let's take an example that if I'm opening the daily time frame, then that particular candle will be for one day from 9:15 till 3:30 in the afternoon, 9:15 a.m. till the 3:30 p.m. in the afternoon. It will show the whole momentum within one candle. Similarly, on weekly time frame, it will show for the whole week. Similarly, for monthly as well, and same applies for 1 minute, 5 minutes, 15 minutes, hourly, and so on. So let's consider that for any of the day. Right now, I'm taking an example of daily time frame. You can go for weekly, monthly, and based on your choice. But right now, let's go for daily time frame, where let's consider that on 9:15 a.m. in the morning, the price has opened at 100 rupees of any of the stock naming XYZ. From that point of time, the price went below till 95, almost 95. This is just for the sake of example. Then it moved up till 120, and then it moved till 115 on the lower side, where the closing price is higher than the opening price. That is a bullish candle, where on that particular day the demand is higher and bulls are in control. And the complete opposite is for bearish candle, where the opening price is higher. Yes, as I've already mentioned, this is a bullish candle, and the opposite is the bearish candle, where the opening price is higher than the closing price. And for the both of the days, the high is on the positive side and low is on the lower side. And that's the candle how it is formed. When the opening price is higher as compared to the closing price, then it is a bearish candle, where on that particular day the supply is higher or the bears are in control. And the body, which you can see, the difference between opening and the closing price on bullish candle, and similarly the difference between opening and the closing price on the negative side, the bar, the candle which you can see, the colorful, that is called as a real body of a candle. And similarly, the upper wicks or upper shadow, as you can see, the difference between open and high and close and high on the bullish candle, the line which you can see, that is called as upper shadow, the shadow which is formed on the upper side. And similarly, the shadow which is formed on the lower side, that is called as lower shadow. This is as simple as that. If the price is moving on the positive side, that is called a bullish candle. If the candle is green, the opening price is lower as compared to the closing price, that is called as bullish candle. And similarly, the opening price is higher as compared to the closing price, and price for the whole day long moves on the lower side, that is called as a bearish candle. Or you can consider on that particular day the supply was higher. Right, so I hope that this particular concept is clear to you, and I'll see you in the next episode, and I'll see you tomorrow as well for the weekly mastermind session. And for the technical Saturdays, in upcoming video, I'll be sharing on how different candlestick patterns are formed, because there are different type of candlestick patterns like reversal patterns, trend following patterns, big bodies, doji, hammer, shooting star, and so on. And in upcoming video, I'm going to share in-depth concept on what are the importance and how even those candles are being formed. So I'll see you in the next video. Till then, make sure you share your biggest takeaways below this particular video, and share this particular video with your friends and loved ones. Till then, live fully, love openly, and make the difference today. I wish you joy and abundance in all you do.